Do you want to switch your Apple Watch from right hand to left hand? If yes, this video is going to walk you through basically how to switch Apple Watch to left hand. So this works on all Apple Watches. It doesn't matter whether you're using the Series 9, Series 10 or Series 3 or the Series SE. So you can easily swipe or change the wrist location on your Apple Watch without even changing the band or the straps. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to switch Apple Watch to left hand, all you just need to do is go ahead and press the digital crown once. Once you press this crown once from the watch face, you'll be taken back to the Apple Watch app menu. Now on the app menu, locate and click on settings. Now while on your settings page, what we want to do is this. You want to scroll down through the settings page until you get to the general page and then click on it. Now once you selected general, scroll down the page and then locate and click on orientation. Once you click on orientation, to change your Apple Watch to your left hand, just locate digital crown and click on left. Then once you selected left, your Apple Watch is going to rotate. Then before then, you can change the wrist from right to left. So once you change your wrist from right to left, then you want to make sure your digital crown is on the right so that you'll be able to wear the Apple Watch on your left hand. So scroll down to the digital crown and make sure you select right. If you choose your digital crown to be left, then you are going to wear the Apple Watch on your right. But since you want to switch the Apple Watch to left, just make sure you come here under the digital crown and set your digital crown to right. And then once you set your digital crown to right, then you can now go ahead wear your Apple Watch. However, you want to make sure the hook is beneath and then the hole here is just above the digital crown if you follow these steps. So that is basically how to switch Apple Watch to left hand. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.